You know what happens in the summer? The pools open up. And when that happens, you get a lot of visitors, especially during these hot times. The best way to ensure a cool, clean pool of water for your birds is to install a mist and dripper. All birds need water, and the mist dripper is one of the most effective ways to keep that water cool and clean during these hot days.
Drip mister is very easy to install. It comes with 50 feet of tubing, and it comes with a bracket that you can hook up to your hose bib and then still connect your hose for watering the garden. It has a valve here to control the flow coming out of the spigot, and then it has a needle nose valve right here where you can have the water just dripping, dripping, dripping very slowly. This dripper will only use about a gallon of water an hour when it's dripping, but it provides fresh, clean, cool water for the birds all day long.